Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your login method in Roblox. First thing you do is open up your Roblox app on your phone. The next thing you do is tap on the more at the bottom, then tap on settings, tap on account information, and once you've done that, to open up, and then you can see login method after email. So if you want to log in with your fingerprint, face ID or screen lock, so this is your login method. As you can see, I am told to add the passkey, so tap on add passkey. Passkeys are the most secure and easy way to log into your Roblox account. For security, only set up passkeys on your personal device. Tap on continue. Then you'll be given a one-time code to your registered email. Enter the code, it's a 6-digit code. Once you've done that, you can now change your verification method. Let's go check our email to see if we're actually given the code. Here's our code 208088. Yeah, I like memorizing it. So we're going to put in the code 208088. Alright, we're back here. So click on more, click on settings, click on account information. It seems, as you can see, we're logged out in a way when we went to check our email. So login method, in add passkey, continue. So we're given the code 208088. So it's incorrect because this is not the recent one. So let's wait for it to pop up at the top here, so we'll just simply check it. But right now it can't pop up because I put on do not disturb, so I have to turn this do not disturb off first of all, so my code can appear at the top when it is sent. So I'm going to tap on resend code. I'm going to wait to see when it pops up. So as soon as you get the code, you put it in, then you can now change the verification method. And maybe it's network or something, because you can see my code is not popping up yet. Let's see. So I'm just simply going to check it on the laptop, my PC. I'm going to check the code on my PC. This is why you should not disable Gmail notifications. I disabled mine. Alright, now as you can see, I'm finding it difficult to have my Gmail information pop up. So I'm going to sign in right now. Signing in on my laptop to see my information. So I'm checking it right now. You can easily switch, but okay. Now let's see, where was it sent to? Let me see some promotions. It's not on promotions. Maybe some updates. Nope. Social. Nope. Okay. Let me switch account. It's not in my first Gmail. Oh, it's true. I used another Gmail, not that one. Alright, I got my code. The code is 617772. So once I input it, I'm going to turn on do not disturb again. so as not to have a lot of interruptions while recording this. Then you can now create a passkey. This passkey will be used by Roblox, so you tap on continue. And now you have to use your screen lock to create passkey. Tap on continue. It's whatever you use. Now your passkey has been created successfully. It's as simple as that. So if you want to manage it, just simply tap on manage here. And you can now choose to delete or access your Google password manager or add another passkey. Hope you find this video helpful on how to edit or change login method. Thanks for watching. Well, yours may be different from mine because if you have biometrics enabled, I don't have biometrics enabled. That is why I'm limited to just passkeys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.